The construction of the Egyptian pyramids, particularly the Great Pyramid of Giza, remains one of the most fascinating achievements of ancient engineering. Built over 4,000 years ago, these structures stand as a testament to the ingenuity, skill, and determination of the ancient Egyptians. But how are these monumental structures constructed without modern machinery? The process began with careful planning. Each pyramid served as a tomb for a pharaoh, designed to ensure their safe passage to the afterlife. The architects and priests determined the pyramid's location and alignment. The pyramids were precisely oriented to face true north, reflecting the Egyptians' deep connection to astronomy and the divine. The primary materials used were limestone and granite. Limestone was sourced locally for the pyramid's exterior, while the harder granite used for inner chambers and sarcophagi was transported from quarries in Aswan over 800 kilometers away. Transporting these stones required ingenious techniques. Workers used sledges, ropes, and lubricated pathways of wet sand to reduce friction, enabling them to move the massive blocks more efficiently. The construction itself involved thousands of skilled laborers, including stonecutters, builders, engineers, and laborers. Contrary to earlier beliefs that slaves built the pyramids, evidence now suggests that these workers were well-fed and housed, motivated by a sense of duty and the promise of eternal blessings. Building the pyramid involved the use of ramps. Large ramps made of mud brick and limestone debris were constructed to move the stones upward. These ramps could be straight, zigzagged, or spiral around the structure. As the pyramid rose, workers continually adjusted the ramps to reach higher levels. The blocks were placed with incredible precision. Workers used tools such as plumb lines, levels, and copper chisels to ensure the blocks fit together seamlessly. This precision is especially evident in the Great Pyramid of Giza, which consists of over 2.3 million limestone blocks and has a base covering 13 acres. Once completed, the pyramids were capped with a polished stone, often made of gold or electrum, to reflect sunlight and symbolize the connection to the heavens. The entire structure was then covered in smooth limestone casing stones, giving it a gleaming, pristine appearance. The construction of the pyramids showcases the ancient Egyptians' advanced knowledge of engineering, mathematics, and astronomy. These architectural marvels continue to inspire awe and remain a testament to human creativity and determination. The Egyptian pyramids stand as monuments of awe and wonder, defying time and logic. But how were these colossal structures built over 4,000 years ago? It all began with meticulous planning. Egyptian pharaohs envisioned their eternal resting places as grand tombs that would secure their legacy. Skilled architects and engineers designed the pyramids, aligning them with celestial bodies, ensuring precision and balance. The construction started with the extraction of limestone blocks from nearby quarries. Each block weighed several tons. Ingenious methods were used to transport these stones, wooden sledges sliding over lubricated paths of mud. Some stones, like granite for the inner chambers, were brought from distant quarries in Aswan, hundreds of miles away. To build the towering structures, massive ramps were constructed. Workers dragged stones up these ramps, layer by layer. It is estimated that thousands of laborers, not slaves as often believed, worked tirelessly,